Hey guys, Chris Mortimer, the Yacht Hunter. And although the majority of my videos are geared towards buying your yacht, it's very important that before you buy a yacht, you also consider what's going to happen at the time of resale. So, to do so, to effectively sell your yacht, you're going to need to list it with a yacht broker at a commission payable of 10% of the sales price. And I know you're thinking, you're like, 10%, I'm totally in the wrong industry. I've been doing it wrong all along. That is the cost of doing business in our industry. I'm quite critical of a lot of brokers, and a lot of owners I spoke to are really critical of their yacht brokers as well. 10% is definitely a lot to pay for anything, let alone the sale of your yacht. You want to make sure that your yacht broker either has similar listings, has recently sold, and is prepared to sell your yacht. If they have too many listings, your yacht might not get the attention it deserves. If they don't have any listings, maybe they're not qualified to sell such a yacht. But it's very important that a realistic price gets set right off the bat. This is a little bit tough because a lot of owners always overvalue their yacht, especially knowing that they're going to have to pay the 10% commission. And what happens is that yacht sits on the market for a while. Your yacht broker is either going to get no calls or is going to get calls, but no one's going to buy it at that price. So they're going to take those customers elsewhere. And with every similar yacht that sells while yours is listed on the market, brokers especially develop a sense of skepticism saying, what's wrong with that yacht? And it decreases the value of your yacht altogether. So don't waste your time by having your yacht overpriced by a broker that's not effectively marketing. No, if it's going to go into the boat shows, whose cost is that going to be? Yours as the owner or the broker? If they're realistically setting the price, they should really want to list it at a show, and they should be on that board the whole time actively trying to sell it. Some brokers are known for just getting drunk on board the boat at boat shows. They have models standing there that people ask questions and then they can't answer it. So it effectively lets a really good sales opportunity walk out the door. Another big criticism I have of yacht brokers that list a yacht for sale is they take really poor quality photos. You're telling me if you're gonna list $1 million boat, you have the opportunity to make more or less $40,000 off that commission. You should be putting a full effort into making sure that this vessel gets sold quickly and at top dollar. So if you don't have a yacht broker, I'll be more than happy to introduce you to some people that do a really spectacular job and I have a great working relationship with. For other great yacht purchasing information, because I know that you're starting to think about the next yacht you're buying before you're selling this one, check out my website, www.theyachthunter.com. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helps, and I don't mean to be too critical. I just want to help you make sure you have the best experience possible. So thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy yachting, my friends.